Should I start like this?
Yeah.
And it sounds like this. We've got that spirit, come on, let's hear it. We've got that spirit and it sounds like this. Hit it. We've got that spirit.
Okay, now break it down.
Okay.
There's no way someone can learn it from this.
Yeah, so it starts off and you're saying, we've got that spirit, come on, let's hear it. We've got that spirit and it sounds like this. Hit it. Out, in, clap, slap, slap, stomp, clap, slap, slap, stomp, clap, under, stomp, clap. And then again, out, in, clap,
Slower.
slap, slap, stomp, clap, slap, slap, stomp, clap, under, stomp, clap. I'll break it down again.
Slower.
Out, in, clap, right, left, stomp, clap, left, right, stomp, clap, under, stomp, clap. Again, out, in, clap, right, left, stomp, clap, left, right, stomp, clap, under, stomp, clap. And then you're gonna go around in a circle, and you're gonna go for the corners, and you're gonna go weave, this, stomp, stomp, clap, slap, stomp, clap, slap. Stomp, stomp, clap, slap, stomp, clap, slap to each of the four corners. So